Today, I am reviewing the VEVOR Commercial Deep Fryer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let me start by saying that a good commercial fryer needs to do three things exceptionally well. It needs to heat up fast, it needs to hold its temperature during back-to-back batches, and it needs to be easy to clean at the end of a long, exhausting shift. After weeks of frying everything from thick-cut French fries and mozzarella sticks to battered fish and chicken wings, I can confidently say that this VEVOR model checks all of those boxes, though there are a few important operational quirks you need to know before buying. The first thing that stands out is the sheer build quality. VEVOR constructed this out of 1mm thickened stainless steel. In person, this translates to a machine that feels incredibly robust and rigid. It does not flex when you press on the sides, and the polished edges are perfectly smooth, meaning you will not cut your hands when you're moving it around or wiping it down. Now, let us talk about the capacity and the dual tank design, because this is where the machine truly shines. You get two completely independent 9-quart tanks. Having two totally separate tanks is an absolute game changer for flavor integrity. If you have ever tasted French fries that were cooked in the same oil as battered fish, you know how terrible that cross-contamination is. With this setup, I can dedicate the left tank strictly to potatoes and pastries, while the right tank handles seafood and chicken. Each tank comfortably holds about 6 quarts of oil, giving you plenty of volume to submerge large batches without dropping the oil temperature too drastically. Speaking of temperature, the heating performance is stellar. This unit packs a total of 3,500 watts of power, divided between the two tanks. When you turn it on, you're not waiting around for 20 or 30 minutes for the oil to reach cooking temperature. It jumps from room temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit in a matter of minutes. More importantly, the recovery time is impressive. When you drop a large basket of frozen fries into hot oil, the temperature naturally plummets. A weak fryer will struggle to bring that temperature back up, resulting in soggy, oil-logged food. This VEVOR fryer senses the drop and kicks the heating elements into overdrive, rapidly recovering the heat so your food seals instantly and gets incredibly crispy on the outside while staying tender on the inside. The control panel is straightforward but highly effective. You have dedicated rotary dials for both temperature and time for each individual tank. The temperature ranges from 175 degrees to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, which covers everything from gentle blanching to high-heat flash frying. The built-in timers are a fantastic addition for a busy kitchen because it is easy to get distracted. You can set the timer, walk away to prep something else, and know exactly when to pull the basket. I also really appreciate the built-in safety features. It has an automatic shut-off mechanism that triggers if the oil temperature exceeds 446 degrees Fahrenheit, or if a controller fails. Working with hot oil is inherently dangerous, so knowing there is a mechanical failsafe gives me great peace of mind. Another massive design win is the drainage and cleaning system. If you have ever had to clean a traditional countertop fryer, you know it is usually a messy, miserable chore. VEVOR clearly thought this through. First, the heating tubes flip completely up and out of the way, giving you unobstructed access to the bottom of the stainless steel tanks. Second, and most importantly, this model features dual front-mounted drain valves. When it is time to filter or discard the oil, you simply place a container underneath, open the heavy-duty valve, and let gravity do the work. There is no awkward tilting, no heavy lifting of hot oil tanks, and no spilling. The interior of the tanks is made with stretch-forming construction, meaning the corners are rounded and tightly sealed, leaving absolutely no hidden crevices for old grease or food particles to hide. The baskets themselves are heavy-duty and come with a very smart front hook design. Once your food is done cooking, you just lift the basket and hook it onto the front frame. This allows the excess oil to drain back into the tank quickly and cleanly, ensuring your final product is not greasy and your countertops stay dry. The included matching stainless steel covers are also great for keeping dust out overnight and preventing splatter if you are melting solid shortening. However, there are 3 crucial things you must know before you buy this machine. First, because this is a powerful commercial unit, it uses 2 separate power plugs. You absolutely cannot plug both cords into the same standard wall outlet plate, or you will immediately trip your circuit breaker. You must run them on separate socket plates or separate circuits to handle the wattage safely. Second, when the fryer arrives, it is covered in a tight white plastic protective film to prevent scratches during shipping. You must spend the time to completely peel this film off before turning it on, or it will melt onto the stainless steel. It takes a bit of patience, but it is necessary. Finally, always ensure the unit is completely cool and dry before storing it away. Overall, if you run a small restaurant, a food truck, a concession stand, or if you just love hosting massive backyard parties, the VEVOR Commercial Deep Fryer is an exceptional investment. It delivers professional-grade temperature recovery, outstanding flavor isolation, and the easiest cleanup process you can find on a countertop unit. Getting this level of heavy-duty performance at its price point is already a great value, but if you can grab it during the Prime Day event, it is an absolute steal that will pay for itself in food quality and kitchen efficiency. I highly recommend it.